My name is Metin Kılıç. I'm the factory manager of Malkan Makina. Malkan Machinery is established in 1971 in Turkey, which produces first time industrial ironing equipments in Turkey, and now exports to 90 countries in all around the world, especially to Uzbekistan, Poland, Ukraine, Russia, Egypt, Iran, and some South American continents. We have CE certification for all Europe countries exporting, and ISO 9000 certification for quality management system, and TSE certification for all Turkish standards accordingly. And we produce all kind of garment industry ironing machineries, such as pneumatic system, jacket and trouser machine pressing equipments, trouser equipments, shirt ironing machines, ironing tables with suction and blowing, steam generators, vacuum units, transfer printing machines, fusing presses, all kind of garment industry ironing equipments. And we are located in Istanbul, in Turkey. We have a 8,000 square meter factory area and 3,500 square meter of showroom and main office. And we have over 40 foreign branches in all around the world, and also up to 40 branches in Turkey in different cities. We are the first ironing producer company for ironing equipment in Turkey, and now the biggest market share we have in Turkey.